Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Roche. We are, for homework, we're going to try to add a kind of a feature to the game. Um, and what I want to show you what it can do is we now have our three turtles, which we're very excited about. And we can add a feature if we use the two star signs or whatever. But so yeah, so again, what we're trying to do is, I think that the thing stopped. So I go here, and what I wanted to do is you guess a word. It comes back to you. You can guess another word, like word, and that's going to fail. Oh, I forgot to put the two stars in. So if I do that, put the two stars in, and guess word, then it's going to die. Okay, and that's what we're trying to get at. Okay, and it's pretty easy to implement, so let's see how to do it. So for this, it's going to require some work down in the main game loop, okay? So this is our main game loop, right? Right, this is our main game. Okay, and what we want to do is put like an addition to it. So we're going to say this, okay? So if it's two dollar signs, we know exactly what to do. And we're going to go like this now. We're going to add an elif here. Okay, so this is going to say else if, right? And then basically we're going to look at the length of the guess at this point. So it's either two stars, and at this point it should be a single letter. And if it's not a single letter, then we got to say it's wrong. So we're going to go like this. We're just going to say the len of guess. Okay. Basically does not equal 1. So if it's like 0, it would be an error too. Okay, or maybe we could do something like and have escape the thing, or len of guess, like that. So it's got to look like that. And if the len of guess is greater than 0, then we're going to send them we're going to call up a routine to handle this too. Okay, so see how get word guess is here. We're just going to send like an error message. Okay, and we're going to add that to the. So I'm going to add a routine called write error message, and it's going to go like something like this. I'm going to send it the message I want to send it so I can reuse this for other messages. So I might say something like, I need a single letter. Guess again, something like that. Okay. And so what I got to do now is just write a routine for this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to move up into my places here. Okay, and I'm just going to make a def. I don't know. I put it above print win or lose because that's kind of where we're working. I'm going to say def. I'm going to paste this in here, and I don't want to paste like a quote. I just want to paste a message. Okay, so somebody's going to send me a message, and then I'm just going to print it out. Okay, and this is another one of those things for turtle, the top turtle writer. So I'm going to grab this whole line. Okay, got to get this whole line up here. Okay, so this is like a top turtle thing, but this is very easy. So we're going to grab this. We're going to go here. We're going to type this in here, and instead of saying, okay, so that's just the normal, error message. I mean, the normal message for you win or I'm sorry. And I'm just going to repurpose this right now. And instead of sending it you win, I'm going to send it message. Okay. But I'm going to do this for it. Okay. Wait a sec. We have to do, we have to do a couple things here. What do we do? I'm going to go like this though. I want this to clear for me. So I'm going to say top turtle clear. Okay. So, so I want to add this extra feature here to get it to clear. So I'm going to do that. And I also want that feature to happen in print win or lose. So I'm going to add that there. Okay, we didn't do it in class. Okay, but we want to do that. So I'm going to clear, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go time, sleep, for a little bit of time, maybe like 2 seconds. And then I'm going to go like this and say top screen turtle dot clear. And now we'll test it out. Okay, so what we did was we added a new def called write error message, which is a general all-purpose error messaging writing thing. So anytime there's an error, we can use it, which is great. So reusability is high. We clear the screen, we write the message, we sleep for a little bit, and then we clear. So you're giving them like 2 seconds so people can read it, basically. And the way this works is this gets called from like an elif down here. Okay? So I think this is okay. I think I can use not equals to, so we'll test it out, okay? And I think PyCharm wants me to kind of add some white space, which is good. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to run it. Okay, so here it is. I think we're running Hangman right now. And I'm going to go like this and say, okay, I'm going to try it. And then it should, let me see, it should go back to its thing. I think I have I have to do this now too now. I need the loop now to cycle. So I'm going to take these out. We put these in here to you know, handle like testing and stuff like that. But now we can just run it. I think this will cycle for me. So I'm going to say, let's see what it does. It comes back like that, and now I can guess the word, and I can enter a guess, and I can look and see what the word is. Okay, I can see the word is persecute, and paste it in there, and now I win. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do for tonight. Okay, that's the thing. So what I want you to do is do this. I want you to add this code here. Okay, try the elif in the game. Okay. And I want you to add this write error messages here, okay, which is we're taking this from here, and we're just making a change to make it more sort of general purpose, so it uses a message. We're adding a sleep, okay. So to do that, you're going to need to make sure that you have imported time, okay, because that's where sleep comes from. And just you're using this thing now called clear. Okay, turtle clear. And we sort of forgot it in class. We want to add this down here too to clear, basically when you're using this. Okay, so that's it. And talk to you later. And so you're going to make me a video, and you're going to show me that yours works the same way mine does. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.